Wealth does not come by chance, but by smart decisions and constant actions. Don't just work for money, make money work for you. Every problem is an opportunity in disguise to generate income. Your financial mindset defines your bank account. Think big and you will grow. Money is a reflection of the value you bring to the world. Don't save what you have left after you spend. Spend what you have left after you save. Investing in knowledge always pays the best interest. Don't be afraid to sell what you know. Experience has a price. Time is more valuable than money. Use it wisely to multiply both. Don't look for stability. Look for growth, and stability will come by itself. Being rich is not having a lot of money. It is having the freedom to decide your life. Every day you postpone your financial goal, you are delaying your success. Learn to manage money, or money will manage you. Don't rely on one income. Create multiple sources of income. Instead of asking yourself how much it costs, ask yourself how much you can earn. Talent without a financial strategy is like an aimless ship. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Create your own opportunity to thrive. Surround yourself with people who talk about investing, not just spending. Action overcomes fear. The first step to wealth is to dare. Don't buy luxuries with debt. Use your money to build assets. Every dollar well invested today will be a seed of abundance tomorrow. Patience and perseverance turn small sums into great fortunes. Don't chase money, chase excellence, and the money will follow. It is not how much you earn, but how much you keep and multiply. The key to wealth is not to earn more, but to manage better. Stop trading your time for money. Learn to generate passive income. Don't be afraid to fail in business. Every mistake is a lesson in success. If you want to be a millionaire, think like a millionaire. The poor spend first and save later. The rich save first and spend later. Money well managed is a powerful ally. Mismanaged, it is a burden. Learn to sell, and you will never be short of money. Don't see money as an end, but as a means to build your freedom. A solution-focused mind finds ways to make money in any situation. Don't just work to make money. Create systems that work for you. Wealth starts in the mind before it shows up in the bank account. If your plan A fails, remember that the alphabet has many more letters. Every financial crisis is an opportunity for those who know where to look. If your salary is your only source of income, you are one step away from ruin. Financial education is the best insurance against poverty. Don't spend money you don't have on things you don't need to impress those who don't care. Business opportunities are everywhere. You just need to train your mind to see them. If you get paid for what you love to do, you will never work a day in your life. Your ability to solve problems determines your ability to generate wealth. Money does not buy happiness, but the lack of it can limit your dreams. Don't make excuses not to invest. Make excuses not to remain in mediocrity. Don't work hard just for money. Work smart to build a legacy. Financial security is not achieved with luck, but with planning. If you think investing is risky, try not investing and see how expensive it is. Money is like a seed. If you sow it wisely, it will bear abundant fruit. Financial freedom is not a dream. It is the result of daily strategic decisions.